Hi everybody, it's Daphne and you're very welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming to spend some of your time with me today. I hope everybody is doing well in this very strange time when everybody is in some sort of lockdown and life is very different. And I just want to say before I go on with the video is that I am in no way forgetting that people are, suffering, they've been unwell, they've lost loved ones, and that we are in a very, very trying time for the whole world. And I really do hope that when this is all over that we realise that what's really important and the things that really count in life. So I'm thinking of you wherever you are, and I hope you're well and safe. And remember, stay at home. But I'm trying to keep this as a space where we can just do things, talk about things that are fun. And today I wanted to show you some products that I was very kindly gifted by a lovely company, a skincare company, and I thought I would do something I've never done, and that is I don't think I've ever done one, is an unboxing. So this parcel arrived a few days ago, and 3 beautiful products inside. Just look how beautifully they are packaged with little black ribbons and bows. They're all packaged like that. The company is called Lavie. And I have received a retinol and vitamin C fusion. I have received a revitalizing, firming and lifting cream to repair and replenish the skin. That's that one there. That's the retinol. And then this one here diminishes the appearance of under eye puffiness, dark circles and fine lines. So they're wrapped beautifully in tissue paper. So I'm going to open them up with you. I haven't tried them, and I'm really excited because I have nothing on my face, as you can see, no makeup except my eyebrows and a little bit of mascara. This one is the multi-dimensional platinum eye serum. So that's the box there. And can I just say as well, this is not a sponsored video. They contacted me and asked me would I like to receive some of the products, and I said I would, to try them out. So there's the serum. Look how beautifully packaged that is. And then this one is, sorry, I should have opened the ribbons before I started, but I wanted you to see them as they were being opened. They really are luxuriously packaged. So, there we go. And this one is all again wrapped in lovely tissue paper. This one is the Face and Neck Boosting Serum. So that's it there, and this is what the product looks like. Ooh, very sleek. And the last one is the anti-aging cream. Sorry, just the ribbon. There we go. And I'll tell you a little about the company as well. So that's the face cream, and this looks like, ooh, it comes with a little glass spatula, which is very hygienic, and beautiful glass jar. So isn't that really pretty? I'll just tell you a little bit about the company because I looked into it before I accepted them. And this actually says, this little card came with it. It says, "Welcome to the Lavie Labs family. Thank you so much for your purchase." Well, as I said, these were sent to me. We know you're going to love it. We hope you use it with as much love as we put into making it. So I'll just tell you a little bit about their products. We focus on quality, we focus on science, we focus on your experience, and we focus on you. They're eco-friendly. They are dermatologically recommended. They're cruelty-free. They're healthy and safe ingredients. They're 100% tested, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. They're naturally based and they fit all skin types. And you have a helpline that you can contact if you want to. Our story: with passion for high-end cosmetics and the vision to make it accessible to every man and woman, Lavie Labs invested years in developing the highest quality formulas, focusing on the most recent research and premium ingredients mix. By selling direct to consumer, we are able to cut off all middlemen and simply focus on quality and service for you, our customers. And all the products are listed on their website, so I'll link it all. They also very kindly sent me a regime for using them, so I'm just going to, that's the little regime that they sent me. Is the eye serum, the Hydrolift face cream, and then SPF, and then at night you use the Lumia eye serum, you use the face and neck serum, and then the Hydrolift. And then on Monday there's different combinations, so I'm going to be trying it out according to those guides. I'm going to try it because I haven't used them before at all. So the Lumia is the eye serum, so I'm going to start with that. Apply 1 drop of Lumia eye serum. Use the applicator to gently massage the serum to the eye area expression lines, and continue massaging for 30 to 45 seconds. So you use this. Okay, so 1 drop. Sorry, it's very, very sunny today. I'm going to put 1 drop, actually I'll put it on my ring finger. Just get the pump going. There, that's 1 drop. And I'm just going to use my I should have brought a mirror, but I can use my viewfinder. I'm just going to pat that in like so. I always put an eye cream, it's quite liquid. Doesn't have a scent as such. I should have tied my hair back. Now it says to use the little applicator. Let me see, just check that again. Use the applicator to gently massage the serum to the eye area expression lines for about 30 seconds. So let me see. Oh, that feels really nice. It's really cool. Actually, if you were to put this in the fridge for a few minutes, it would really, really be cooling. And I do tend to wake in the morning with puffiness to my eyes sometimes. So I would imagine that would help to bring the puffiness down. So that is really, really nice. I'm just doing very gentle movements and little patting movements as well. So it feels really, really nice. I won't continue to do it for the 30 seconds, but just to give you a demo. That's really nice. Feels really refreshing, very refreshing. So that's that Platinum Eye Serum. Now the next thing is the Hydrolift, which is this. That's the Hydrolift, and let me see. Gently rub the face cream over your face, neck and décolleté with an outward and upward sweeping motion. Use a generous amount on deep lines and wrinkles, avoiding the eye area. And we also recommend to use the Hydrolift cream along with an SPF sunscreen during the day. Well, I always do, but I'm not going to do it just now. So beautifully packaged. Doesn't really have a scent, which is really nice. So I'm going to actually use the same little spatula and apply that. Now it says to use a generous amount, so I'll start off with less, if you know what I mean. I can always add more I really should have tied my hair back. Now upward and outward motions. Avoiding the eye area. And that feels really, really, it's rich without being heavy. It's got a lovely quality, a silky quality. It feels really nice on the skin. It's sinking in and absorbing really nicely. Yeah, I really like that. First impressions, really, really like that. Now I would then put on my sunscreen. And then in the evening time, I would be using the serum, which is this one here. And I'll just read to you because it's not to be used at the moment. So in the evening, we'd apply gently smooth 3 to 4 drops over the face with an outward and upward sweeping motion. Avoid the eye area, especially the eyelids. Use 3 to 4 times a week, and for oily skin, use twice a week only. So this one has I think it has the retinol in it, but I'll just see what the consistency is like. Oh, it's got a little cover on it, just to get the pump going there. So it's a kind of a goldy coloured liquid. Again, doesn't have a particular scent. It's very, what's the word? It's a light serum. Absorbs very easily. Doesn't particularly have a scent at all. So that will be the nighttime serum. So I'm really looking forward to using that. So that's my unboxing, and that's my my little bit of that's my unboxing. And thank you so much to Lavie Labs for reaching out to me. I'm so excited to try them and see the effect. So I will take before and after pictures, and I'll let you know in a month or so how things are working for me, and hopefully you might have a look and see if there's anything you'd like to try on their website. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, perhaps you would subscribe and join the lovely family we have here, and I will talk to you very soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.